entendu, ceci est du cidre. Cidre doux. Non, jus de pomme.
Ceci est une bière sans alcool.
Santé lui.
Alors maintenant, on regarde ici.
Sans les jumelles.
Nowadays we are just working really early to avoid the heat. But finally, we're gonna talk about the house. The house cost us 20,000 euros plus 3,000 for taxes, so around $26,000 in total. And we have 12,000 euros to renovate the house by the end of this summer. The house was abandoned for decades and it was cheap because the money of the selling was used to reimburse the debt of the previous owner. Anyway, if you want more details, tell me in the comment below. I will be really glad to reply your message to explain you a bit. First, I will show you some pictures of it from the ad we saw on internet at the first place. Here you have the living room, then the back of the house, the first room, and finally the attic. Secondly, let me explain you a bit by showing you the first footage I've done when I received the key and I entered for the first time. Sorry for the quality. When we enter the house, you have a stair and a kitchen, let's say. Then you have a small room where we're gonna make a gym, the bathroom and the toilet. And you have a patio, which was full of EV and full of stuff that we had to burn. Let's get back and go upstairs. You have at first a room, really bright. Here we are planning to do a living room. And then a room at the back, really not bright, perfect for a sleeping room. Finally, you have a second stair and the last floor, taking you directly to the attic, which was really dusty. We renovated on the third episode, which is the previous one. Go watch it if you missed that part. And if you want me to release the full video of the time I entered for the first time, please tell me. The house is facing straight to the south, so we have sun all day, and we can put solar panel directly at the last floor windows. Also there is a chimney, so we had a stove in it for the winter. A small patio at the back, at least to be able to be outside sometimes and to do some barbecue during summer. If you want to support us, you can subscribe to be sure that you can follow the renovation process. Now, let's finish the painting and put a green lime paint on the room and the living room.